This week I am testing the 5-seater Subaru Impreza. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials.
The boot section of this review is brought to you by Thule.
The boot door of the Subaru Impreza opens and closes manually and lovely and quietly, so it won't disturb your sleeping passengers. Let's find out how the Thule prams fit in the boot.
When the boot is empty, it will hold 10 shopping bags. Or the Thule sleek, future-proof, multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the Subaru Impreza with 2 shopping bags. The Thule sleek, future-proof, multi-configuration pram with 2 seats will also fit in the boot of the Subaru Impreza with 2 shopping bags. Or the Thule Urban Glide 2 ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels removed fits easily in the boot with 2 shopping bags. Or the Thule Spring lightweight and one-handed folding stroller fits in the boot of the Subaru Impreza with 6 shopping bags. Or you can fit 2 70-litre and 1 90-litre Thule Chasm duffel bags in. Or a medium-sized dog.
In the back of the Subaru Impreza, there are ISOFIX in the 2 outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, they're behind flaps of the seat fabric that you bring forward, but they're really nice and easy to access and connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 seat backs, and they're really nice and easy to access and connect through the boot. Now, I could fit 3 infant secure child seats in the back of this Subaru Impreza really nice and easily, which is fantastic news for families. Now, legroom is also fantastic in the Subaru Impreza. With these forward-facing infant secure child seats, we could fit a 186 centimetre passenger or driver in front of them. And with the rear-facing capsule, we could fit about a 180 centimetre driver in front of it. Storage in the back of the Impreza is good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and a child's drink cup fits in them too. In the back of the front passenger seat, there's a small mat pocket that will hold but not conceal an iPad, and the door bins in the back will hold a refillable water bottle, and there's storage handle wells too. There are no aircon vents in the back of the Subaru Impreza, so it's harder for parents to keep their little ones in the back the right temperature while driving along. Storage in the front of the Subaru Impreza is good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. And in front of them there is a wireless phone charging pad, and you've got USB and USB-C sockets there too. The central console bin is a good size, and the glove box is a good size in here too. That will hold an iPad with the manual. The door bins in the front are a good size. They will hold a refillable water bottle, and an iPad fits in them too, and they have the storage handle wells as well. The media system in the Subaru Impreza is really lovely and simple and easy to navigate and to use. There's lots of things you can customise quickly within the settings here. So one of the great ones I love is the sound drop down, so you can easily customise the beeps and things like that, just to keep things on a sensory level a bit calmer when you've got a family on board. There's lots of everything else that you can customise to how you like it for the car as well. Now, in this list, you can customise your driver assist settings and all those things. So it's great because everybody likes to have different things on and different things off. And it does remember in your driver profile as well, which is great. Now, you've got a really quick, easy button for the auto stop start there, which is fantastic, as it's something that you need to be able to turn off quickly if your kids fall asleep in the back. And you've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in here, which is great for being able to access your phone and your apps while you're driving along. When you put it into reverse, the camera image does only fill the top of the screen, but I've found it's fine. This is only a small car, you don't really need more than that, and visibility is very good, and you can turn the parking sensors on and off easily on the screen there. Now, the climate controls remain at the bottom of the screen for the entire time. They don't move with the top of it, so they're really nice and easy to access and use while you're driving along. Now, the Subaru Impreza is a really great car to drive. I really enjoy how it drives. It's really nippy and fast and just instant acceleration. It's really good. And you also feel really connected to the road in a way that cars don't really feel like that anymore. There's kind of a distance, there's a cushioning. So yeah, I really enjoy this drive. Now, in terms of practicality for families when driving, visibility is excellent in here. With those 3 InfoSecure child seats in the back, I can see over the top and out the back window a bit, so that's great news. Now, the turning circle is really lovely and tight in here, which makes school and supermarket car parks really nice and easy. It's a comfortable ride, so everybody on board is pretty happy in here. And because it's not really raised up and kind of cushioned, the kids have a great view out of the back as well. I absolutely love driving the Subaru Impreza with my family. I really enjoy the way it drives. You can surprisingly fit those 3 InfoSecure child seats really nicely across the back seats, and the legroom is good in here for a hatch of this size too. The boot space is excellent, fitting those taller prams, and the new media system and cameras are great.